Hello children, it's phonics time again, so let's start off with our alphabet song. Don't forget to join in and to do your Jolly Phonics actions to go with the sounds as you see them.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G H, I, J, K, L, M, N O, P, Q, R, S, T, U V, W, X, Y, Z I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Right, let's have a look at our sounds. So don't forget to join in as we say the sounds and do your actions as well. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ha, ha, ha. Da, 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 da. Ha, ha, ha. Ba, ba, ba. It, 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 it. Oh, oh, oh. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh. What, what, what? Ah, ah, ah. K, 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 k. J, 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 j. Qua, qua. Yeah, yeah. K, 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 k. Qua, qua. Oh, oh, oh. Shh, shh. Th, the, the. Ch, ch, ch. E, o, e, o, e, o. A, A. I, I. O, O. U, U, U. Ah. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Brilliant. I hope you joined in. Now I'm going to say the names of the letters. So don't forget to join in or repeat them after me. O, A, V, H, D, P, B, F, I, N, L, G, K, T, S, U, F, X, W, E, C, J, Q, U, Y, C, K, Z, Q, R, M, S, L, S, H, T, Z, C, N-G-O-R-E-E-E-R-U-R-A-I-G-H-O-A-O-O-A-R-O-W. And on the back, O-U. Brilliant. Now, let's see today with our tricky words whether you can point to the words as I say them. Can you point to go? Go, 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 go. There it is. Can you point to I? I with a hat and bottom. That's really useful when we're doing our writing. Can you point to no? No. There it is with that N. Can you point to two? That one there. Can you point to went? Went. There it is. Can you point to the? The. It's got the sounded. Brilliant. Let's see if you can do it on these ones. Can you point to the word that says me? Me. Can you point to the word that says he? He. Can you point to be? The be? Can you point to we? We. Okay. She. Right at the top, and all these ones that have got an at the end, the at makes the e sound. He, she, we, me, be. And what of these are the two tricky ones? Can you find you? You go you. And can you find they? That as well. Brilliant, well done. Now, our new sound that we're going to learn today looks like this. And again, there are two different ways of making this sound. So we've got an off and an if, an O and an I, and we've got an off and a y, or an O and an I. Does anybody know what that sound makes? What those two different combinations of letters make? They make the sound oi. Can you say that with me? Oi, oi, oi. Brilliant. And have a look at the picture today. What can you see today? We can see that there's a ship here and another ship here. And there's a sailor. Do you remember we saw a sailor in our sound? And he's calling across to the other ship. And he's saying, oi, oi. And he's saying that there's a ship that they can see. So sometimes when pirates see land and they're looking for treasure, they say, land ahoy, because they can see an island. But he can't see an island, he can see another ship. So he's saying, oi, ship ahoy. Can you shout that with me? Let's use both hands. Oi, ship ahoy. And that is our action for oi. And if you want to have a look at the Jolly Phonics song that goes with that action, then you can have a look on YouTube or on the link on the school website. And we've got a word underneath here. Should we see what it is? It's oil, oil. And we can see there's a barrel of oil there in the sleeve. And there's another word here. Should we see what this one says? That's what and the other oi sound, yeah. Ahoy. Like, oi, ship ahoy. So that's about our oi sound. And I've got some things here that have got an oi sound in. So see if you can hear the oi sound. First of all, I've got a coin. Can you hear the oi sound in coin? Okay. Coin, coin. And I've got a pencil. And do you remember you about it being sharp? Do you know what that's at the end called? It's called a point. Point. Can you hear the oi sound in point? A point. Or you can point with your finger, can't you? When we're at school, I point to the numbers when we're counting, don't I? And I've got something else with the oi sound. You know what this is? I use it in my kitchen. Like my sandwiches in it when I'm at school. It's oil. The oil. You hear the oil from that. Right, let's have a go at making some boy words. So first of all, on my magnet board, I've got two different boy sounds. We've got R and the E, boy, and the R and the Y, boy. So first of all, I'm going to make the word coin. So what does coin start with? Coin. Can you hear the K sound? K. Boy, and the boy in this word is the R and the E. K. Boy. You hear that last sound? Okay. Boy. See if you can read it with me. Okay. Boy. Boy. Brilliant. And the next word I'm going to make, you can magnet over there, I'm going to make the word point. So point like the point of my pencil or pointing with your finger. So what's the first sound in point? Point. Got my boy, and I need my boy sound. And again, it's one with the R and the E. Coin. Can you hear the next sound? Coin. What's that? And there's another sound in this word. Point. Point. Can you hear that last sound? It's. Let's read this word together. Point. Point. Brilliant. And let's have a go at making another one. What else did I show you? Do you remember what else I showed you? I showed you some foil. Let's see if we can make the word foil. What does foil start with? That's right. It's a. And we need the boy sound. Boy. And again, it's this one with the R and the E. See if you can hear the last sound. Boil. Boil. Can you hear it? It's a boil. Boy. Boil. Boil. And we'll just make one that's got the other boy sound in as well. So the word boy has this boy sound in. Can you make boy? There. Boy. Boy. Brilliant. Let's have a go at making a sentence with an boy sound. Now I've thought of a long sentence this time, and it's got a couple of our other tricky sounds in, so we can practice those as well. So I thought of the sentence, I pay for the sweets with coins. So that's quite a long one. Should we count how many letters we've got? I pay for the sweets with coins. So how many words is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words in that sentence. And in between each word, we need to leave that's right, a finger space. So I'm going to write, I pay for the sweets with coins. So what do I need first of all? I. Remember how to do I? That tricky word. Straight down to the bottom. I. Then we need to leave a finger space. I pay. So what does pay start with? Pay. Pay. It's our A sound. And in this word, it's the A with the A and the Y. I pay. And I'm going to leave another finger space. I pay for. You know what for starts with? For. It's not one of our tricky sounds. Eat or. Remember what the or sounds made with? It's made with an F and a O. I pay for. And we need to leave another space. I'm going to do something on my next line. I pay for the. Tricky word, the. Can you remember how to write the? You can have a look at our tricky words to how it goes. Can you see it? It's that one there? It's the. T, her, I pay for the. I'm going to leave another finger space. Sweet. What does sweet start with? Can you hear the sound? So, w. Swip. It's the other one, isn't it? It goes with or. It's the E sound, which is an A and an A. Sweet. Sweet. That's a long word, isn't it? I pay Okay, for the sweets with what the 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 sound with, I'm using my finger space, coins. Okay. And our new sound, boy, with an heart on the F, coin, coins. Happens at the end of my sentence. That's right, it's a full stop, so I've finished. So quite a long sentence there. Let's see if you can read it with me. I pay for the sweets with coins. And there's our new sound oi there, but we can use lots of our tricky sounds in that sentence. So now it's time for you to have a go. See if you can write and read some words with our new sound oi in, and see if you can have a go at writing a sentence. Maybe you could try to do a sentence with more than one tricky sound in your words. We look forward to seeing your work, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.